So this is one very good way to boost your vocabulary. Let's dive into the lesson and see how things work. Instead of saying very beautiful, say gorgeous, जिसका मतलब है दिलकश. Instead of saying very big, say massive, कसीर. Instead of saying very boring, say dull, मांद या फीका. Instead of saying very noisy, say deafening, बहुत पुरशोर. Instead of saying very poor, say destitute, जिसका मतलब है बदहाल या मफलूकुल हाल. Instead of saying very clean, say spotless, यानी बेदाग. Instead of saying very short, say brief, मुख्तसर. Instead of saying very difficult, say arduous, जिसका मतलब दुश्वार या बहुत मुश्किल. Instead of saying very dry, say arid, बंजर. Instead of saying very quick, say rapid, तेज़ रफ्तार. Instead of saying very bad, say awful, हैबतनाक. Instead of saying very smart, say intelligent, आकिल ज़हीन. Instead of saying very sad, say sorrowful, सोगवार अंदोहनाक. Instead of saying very upset, say distraught, मबहूतुल हवास. Instead of saying very cold, say freezing, मंजमद कर देने वाला. Instead of saying very strong, say forceful, ज़ोरदार. Instead of saying very huge, say colossal, dev hakal jasim. Instead of saying very angry, say furious, ghazabnak.